How to make music with AI Udio. The first step is signing into Udio, so you can go ahead and sign up using any of the options available for you. I'll be going with Google and I'll show you what comes up next once you've signed into your account. All right, so just go ahead and create your profile, and once you've created your profile, you're going to be signed into your Udio account. All right, guys, so welcome to Udio. And now the steps we're going to be taking to create your song is simple. The first thing is to just describe your song. So go ahead and describe your song here. There's an option to upload if you have one, and there's the voice control option or writing your lyrics. We've set it to auto generate, so we're just going to go ahead and describe a song here. All right, so I went with the option to make a song that sounds like Jane by the Long Faces. And now for the lyrics, I've set it to auto generate, and all we need to do now is just go ahead and click on create. So it's going to go ahead and create the song alongside lyrics for it. The more specific your prompt, the better the results would be. All right, so after clicking on create, the songs would be generated. There's an option to extend them. And if you click on the drop down, there is an option to remix, edit, or style it. So you can click on style to basically change the style or the waveform. You could create a blend from here. And if you close out of here and click on the style option and head into edit, you could basically edit the song. You could create more and unlock more, but this costs about $10 per month. So you'd have to get a subscription to do this. But there is an option to simply download your song. You could basically download it or share it or use your voice. Is this voice? You could use it. You could also view your song details. You could generate a video for the song. You could publish it. You could share it to someone else or somewhere. That's it, guys. So that's basically how to make use of audio and make music from it. And then once you're done, you could just listen to your song.